Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign, and this reading is for the month of August 11th to August 20th. So let's see Sagittarius, what happened in your connection past. Your recent past, Sagittarius, lot of energy. Okay. So let's see first your recent past. Wheel of Fortune, Three of Cups, King of Wands. I think in recent past you stand by your power, King of Wands here, and Three of Cups and Wheel of Fortune. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Sagittarius. And Three of Cups, I think this is union. In past you both are in union, or for some there is third party situation also. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Sagittarius. What is going on your connection right now? Excuse me. Okay. Eight of Cups, Five of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think there is separation going between both of you. So Eight of Cups, you walked away from the situation, you. And Five of Cups, I think you person feeling very sad. Seven of Swords, because you walked away due to some manipulation. I think your person could be manipulator, or they did not communicate well. This is because miscommunication, false communication also. That's why you walked away from the situation. Even if you feel sad, then also you made decision to walk away from the situation. So lot of you, there is separation between you and your person, Sagittarius, right now. So let's see your near future. Your person near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. King of Pentacles, the Star. Still your person is hoping for this connection. Ten of Cups. Yes, I think your person want to offer long-term commitment to you after you walked away. And the Star, definitely they are hoping for this connection and they want this happiness with you. They are missing you, but there is some manipulation. That's why you walked away. I think you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Sorry, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign. So definitely there is separation, but your person hoping for this connection and they want reconciliation with you. So let's see some more cards from universe for final message. Ten of Pentacles, the Lovers. You both love each other. There is love between both of you. Death, I think your person undergoes some transformation, or your person could be. Death is the transformation card. Ten of Pentacles, I think stability is coming in this situation or in this connection, but it takes time because you walked away. Your person hoping, I think your person hoping for this connection but not taking action, because here not any action cards, but they want to offer this King of Pentacles to you. Yeah, under the deck, the Devil. I think some obsession is there between both of you. Some deception is there in this connection. So Sagittarius, I think you made the right decision, because I think only the person in this connection, you only the person putting all the effort, I'm getting. So definitely there is love there still, because the Lovers is here. Some transformation is going, stability is coming, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.